Death toll due to swine flu has reached 624 people, making this outbreak one of the worst in the last 5 years. Fresh cases have been recorded in Gujarat, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. 7 more people have died in Rajasthan, taking the death toll in the state to 183 people. The National Law University in Jodhpur has been closed for 10 days after a student tested positive. In Gujarat, the flu has claimed 5 more lives, taking the toll to 155 since January. First deaths have been reported in Jammu and Kashmir and Nagaland as well. The government is meanwhile rushing to contain the spread of the disease. Health Minister JP Nadda chaired a high-level review meeting in Delhi to take stock of the crisis. A committee has been formed to visit hospitals and look into the reports of drug shortage. The drug regulators meanwhile allowed over 10,000 chemists across the country to stock the anti-flu drug Tamiflu. However, sales will not be allowed without a doctor's prescription. It also asked chemists to keep a photocopy of the prescriptions on which they have sold the drugs.
If I want to remove panic from the society, my message is very clear. Swine flu will not kill a person. What kills a person is a swine flu pneumonia. Therefore, differentiate between a swine flu and a pneumonia. A pneumonia patient will be breathless. From a distance, you will be able to know that he is breathless. So anybody who is not breathless may not even visit a hospital. You can consult on smartphone, you can consult on phone, and don't panic.
I can say that don't be panic. It is preventable. It means that whenever the person having cough and cold, having fever, he should use at least his handkerchief if he is not having mask while coughing or sneezing. So that will prevent the infection. Second thing, we should wash our hands regularly because hand is such a contaminated organ in our body. Every time you touches the nose and face and all those things. So we should wash our hand properly. We should talk to the person little bit distance way, at least 3 feet distance. If 3 feet distance, the virus is rarely crossed at 3 feet distance. So prevention will be automatically done.